Did you know that today is the anniversary of the Wu-Tang Clan 36 Chambers album, first released in 1993? So Nike today is re-releasing the Nike Dunk High black and yellow, first released in 1999. There were only 36 pair, very limited, only given to the members of the group and some of the Nike's employees and friends and family. I got my hands on these. They're not that limited at this point because they were super expensive back then, and one of the rails on the sneakerhead culture and the hip-hop culture. So this is the Wu-Tang Clan Dunk High. We see there the logo, and also at the tongue they went with the premium leather, premium box. Let me know down in the comment, did you cop or not, or are you planning to pay resale for these so you can have them in your sneaker collection? And make sure to like and follow more. See you in the next video.